Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to create pivot table in Excel. A pivot table in Excel is a powerful tool used to summarize, analyze, and present large data sets in a more manageable and meaningful way. It allows you to extract insights from your data by rearranging and summarizing it according to the different perspectives. Now we are having one example here. The registration number of the student, name of the student, date of birth, graduation, specialization opted for, marks in first semester, marks in second semester. We want to use the power of pivot table. So how we can do this? We'll go in insert, click on the pivot table, choose where you want the pivot table report to be placed. Normally we go for the new worksheet. Click OK. So on the right hand side pane, pivot table fields will appear where you are having rows, columns, values, and filters. So whatever variable which you will take in rows, it will be displayed in rows in pivot table. Similarly for columns. But if we talk about values, it will be displayed as sum, average, count in the pivot table. Similarly, filters, whatever variable you pick up here, it will be displayed as filters. Let's start with the first one, specialization. Click on it. So it has given me which are the specializations which are available. Let me zoom it. I want some more detail from this. So what I'll do, I will again drag and drop this specialization into the values. Done. So the information which is provided is there are 6 students who have opted for finance, 9 students for marketing, 5 for operations. Is it possible to display the records that who these students are? Yes, double click on this and it will directly take me to the data. Right. Now again come back. Now we want the combination of the graduation and the specialization. So let's see the data again. How many students are there who have done BCom and are having the special and have opted for the specialization marketing? BCom with finance. So we'll go in the pivot table fields and in columns, I will take the graduation. Done. So there are 2 students in BCom who have done BCom and have opted for finance. Two, that is from the science background and have opted for finance. Can I see this records? Yes. Again, double click on it and the records will be displayed. Okay. Let's go back. Now you activate design from here. Go in report layout and show in outline form. Just see the changes which appear. So it is now more organized. So what do you do? I again repeat report, show in outline form. Now in the filters, we will include the date of birth. So drag it, date of birth, and see the changes which have appeared here. Date of birth. So you can select the date of birth from here. Select multiple items. So you want to select those students whose date of birth is before 84 or is in 83, and on that basis you want to see this table. So the filters can be applied this way. Now we can even flip the position that we want graduation in columns and specialization in rows. So what I'll do, I'll simply drag it from here, pick up the specialization from here and drop it into columns, and the flipping is being done. What else we can do? See, here it displays the records that how many students are there who are from graduation BCom background and have opted for marketing specialization. But how much marks they have got? So let's remove that count of specialization and bring the marks of the first semester. Done. So it displays sum of marks. I want to change this. So what I can do, I can activate from here, go in value field settings, and instead of sum, because we require average, that those students who are from BCom graduation, on an average, how much they are scoring in marketing specialization. So average, click OK, you will get average. Maximum marks scored. Which combination is best? Maximum. Click OK, maximum marks scored. Minimum marks scored. Okay. So what is our interpretation? Let's see. That the lowest which we got is 40 when the combination is BCom with the marketing. It's a minimum because it's a minimum of marks. Now, is it possible to get more information, or rather, can we include more information in this table or not? Yes, you can do it. Drag the same marks here and change value field settings and make this maximum. So in one table now, we are having the minimum marks also, maximum also, minimum also, maximum also. So you can go on adding the marks of second semester for the comparison. We can also insert slicers here. Let's see how. Go in pivot table, analyze, and insert the slicer. So insert the slicer on basis of what? So let's pick up the graduation, click OK. I only want to see the results which are related to BCom. You can see here. BSc, BA. Now I'll press Ctrl Z to activate another slicer, and that is I'll again go in pivot table, analyze, and insert timeline. Click date of birth, OK, and we are having the scroller. Just see, July 1984. All those who are born in July 1984, their minimum and maximum marks, August, September. We can also change the pivot table fields layout. You go in settings. This option is available. Again, click on settings, field selections only. Area selection by this way also you can. Area section only. So normally we keep this setting. Now there is one more interesting feature. We will go again on the original data, and we will create a table, the formatted table from this. So let me give you the briefing of the process. First of all, convert to range. Okay, we'll convert this data range into the table. How we can do this? Insert table, click OK. So as soon as the range data is converted into formatted table, this will get activated. Summarize with pivot table. Now click on this. Activate existing worksheet and specify your location in the worksheet only. Click OK. Expand a little bit. Now in the rows, you take date of birth, and in the values, you will take the specialization. Let's maximize this. So it gives me the information that there are 12 students born in the year 1983 there are 8 students from 1984. Now press this plus sign. So data has been grouped. Now quarter 1, 6 are there, and specific January, February, March. So the data has been grouped according to the time scale. If you want to ungroup this, select this two here, right click, ungroup, and now you will get the result in ungrouped. I'll again press on Control Z to get the grouped data. Now I want to remove this plus sign. So it is available here, plus minus button, and uh, that icon will disappear. So this is how you can use pivot table in MS Excel. For more videos on MS Excel, please subscribe my channel so that you can refer all the videos in my playlist. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. You can also follow me on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram, link given in the description box.